Look how this really pays off really well right onto the lids. Yes, look at that. Hi everyone, mabuhay. Welcome, it's Alicat Castle, your transgender Filipina YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And on today's episode, we will be doing this pink smoky eye tutorial using the Australis Barbie Eyeshadow palette. Yes, and just so you know, I actually got this from my dear friend Jared, who has a YouTube channel, Life in Plastic, and he does a lot of amazing doll unboxings and reviews. So without further ado, let's begin with this, and I will also link his channel in the description box below for you to check it out. So I already prepped my eye with the Beauty Crop Stock on You eyeshadow primer, and let's recreate this right here. Yes. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this brush from Real Techniques, and it's the Real Techniques Instapop Eye Duo, and it comes with two eye brushes, and you get a small and you also get the bigger one that we will use on the crease. So first, let's start with this color right here, and then we're going to start that right on the outer eyelids, and then I'm gonna create a diagonal line, and then after that I'm going to press it in. As you can see, it's really pigmented, and then you just put that towards the middle. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use the same brush and apply this color right here. This one, the yellow gold color. And then we're going to apply that right in the middle of the eyelids. As you can see, it's really rich. This one actually is a shimmery eyeshadow, but this one doesn't have a lot of big glitter, so it really glides on smoothly. And then after that, let's actually go back to the first color that we applied, and we're going to apply that right on the inner corner of the eye. As you can see, I'm doing like a pressing motion. Just take your time doing it. And then after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this color right here again. Actually, this color rather is like a little bit lighter than the first color that we did. And we're going to just tap that right in between the lighter color and the darker color as well. And then after that, now let's do our crease. I'm actually going to do a combination of this, and then I'll go back to that, and then you're gonna apply that first right on the crease to basically help to diffuse any harsh lines. And then we're gonna do this color right here. It's kind of like a matte rose color, just to actually have a little bit of more dimension. And then we're just gonna do like a rainbow effect. And yes, this brush is actually included in the Instapop Eye Duo. Look how pretty. And then after that, we're gonna use this brush. This is actually like a blending brush, which is also Real Techniques. It's actually 91529, and it comes in 3 brushes. And believe it or not, it's only like $9. Can you believe that? It's so affordable. And we're gonna use that color right there. And the good thing about those brushes that it's all synthetic at the same time. Look how this really pays off really well right onto the lids. Yes, look at that. And then after that, we're going to use this brush. This is actually by LaRue Short Shadow LR105 brush. And that's the brush that we're actually going to use to continue the dark pink from the lower lash line. So you're gonna connect it from the sides. Just take your time. And then you basically kind of like almost like drag in, but at the same time pressing it at the same time. Yes, so it's like drag but press, if that kind of like makes sense. So again, let's just go back a little bit more, because we just want to have that real smoky eye, which is like a little bit thicker on the outside on the bottom lash line. See how pretty? And then after that, let's actually use this brush. This is actually the Sonia Kashuk smudge brush, and we're gonna use this color right here. And then we're going to do that right on the bottom lash line, and then we're just gonna do it a little bit tighter, just so that it can actually have a little bit of like a diffusing effect than the first color that we used. And then we're now gonna use the Trish McEvoy Vavavoom brush using the same eyeshadow, and we're gonna use that as a liner right on top. And then I'm gonna start right on the outside, then after that going slowly towards the middle, and then you just go back and forth, and you just do it again. So just be patient a little bit, because I guess this palette actually, I mean, it's not as refined as the other matte colors, but it can still do the job. Yes. So look at that. What do you think? What do you think of our eye look? Yes. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use this sparkly color. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wet my fingers first, which is this. And then after that, we're gonna dip it into the sparkly color. And then after that, we're gonna do it right here, right in the middle, where we applied that light color. And then just to smoke it out even more, we're just going back to this color right here, combine it with the first color, and do a little bit of a rainbow effect as well. There you go. So what I'm gonna do now is that let me just put some lashes, cheeks, and lips, and then after that, I'll give my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. I'll be back. And here's our final look. Yes! And now it's time for overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. First and foremost, I love how pigmented the eyeshadows are. Second, though, it had a little bit of fallout. But third, it delivered the look that we wanted anyway. So overall, it's a winner. It's a champ. Panalo! So there you go. If you enjoyed this pink eye makeup tutorial using the Australis Barbie Eyeshadow palette, hope that you can support this video by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, hope you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Alicat Castle, telling you and reminding you that you are beautiful, you are maganda, with or without makeup. And I'll see you again soon. I love you. You're special. Mabuhay!